Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to see S3 bucket commands. Okay, so in your day-to-day operations, how you are going to use simple S3 commands to make your life easy. Okay, so let's start. You may log in into AWS CLI. Okay, and let's start. Okay, so before start, if you guys not seen the earlier this series video, okay, I will suggest please go ahead and watch that. Okay, so it will help you to understand the series which we are running about the AWS CLI and make our life easy. So today we are going to see the commands like create a bucket, delete the bucket, delete the object, list the bucket, list the object, move bucket, move the objects from one bucket to another bucket, then copy objects. Even we can see the sync object. Okay, so this command basically we are going to explore today. Okay, so open your CLI and let's start. So you can see guys, I not have any bucket at this moment. So let's create new buckets. Okay, using the create bucket command. So let's start. Okay, so the as stated earlier, previous video also, in any AWS CLI command, the AWS is a common factor than the services. So here S3 service and MB is our command to create a bucket and the bucket name. So our bucket name is cloud demo 12345. Okay, so I'm not sure this bucket name is available or not. So let's see. Let's hit enter. If it is available, then it will take. Otherwise, we need to give a different name. Okay, or what we'll do, we'll add numbers like 7, 8, 9, something like that. Okay, so let's hit enter. So you can see here it's given the error. This bucket name is not available. Okay, so let's rename the bucket name and try again. Okay, so let me add few more numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see this. Okay, so you can see guys, the bucket is created. Okay, let me create one more bucket. Okay, for the demo. Okay, let me add 0 here this time. Okay, so this bucket also created. Now if you want to see, you can go back. Okay, you can refresh the page and let's see. So let me refresh here and you can see these two bucket created. Okay, and one more thing, you can also check if you have in your S3 account, if you have multiple buckets, then you can give ls command. Okay, so let's see this. So I have only two buckets. Okay, so if you have multiple buckets, then we can use the ls command. So let's see this. Okay, so I have run the ls command. The AWS is a common, S3 is our service name and the ls. Okay, so you can see here it's showing me the buckets which I am owning on my account, as well as created date, what year or what time it got created. Okay, so let's move forward for the next command which we are going to do. Okay, so what we are going to do now, okay, I have already copied one file on each bucket. Okay, now let's try to move those files, okay, those objects from one bucket to another bucket, as well as we'll see uh, copy option also. Okay, so we are going to do a two demo. One is move object from one bucket to another bucket, and another thing, copy object from one bucket to another bucket. So in real life, if you have thousands of files, okay, and if you want to move from one bucket to another bucket, how you are going to do? Okay, so you can see here, uh, this is our command mv. Okay, so mv is our command, and the source bucket and the destination bucket. Okay, similarly for copy, we'll use cp command. Okay, so this is our source and the destination. So in old years, few years back, we were using robocopy command. So it is similar like that. Okay, it's nothing rocket science. So let's hit enter and let's see. Okay, so it is copied. Okay, so now let me do one thing. Okay, let me copy from. Okay, let's see here. Okay, yeah, it's copied. Okay, now let me do one thing. Let me, instead of move, okay, let me try to copy. Okay, now it is move. Let me, okay, let's revert back first and then do it. Okay, so I have reverted back. Let me rename the names. Yeah, the names is corrected now. Let's hit enter. Okay, now it's back to the original bucket. Okay, and let me copy now. So we'll use, let me correct the bucket name again, as we are going to use cp command. Okay, so let me rename the bucket name. Yeah, so let's, instead of mv, now try the cp command. And let's hit enter and let's see. Now we can see this agreement.tif file is copy. You can see it is copy this time. It's not move. You can see here. Okay, as well as you can do the ls command for the bucket also. Okay, instead of, if you don't want to utilize the GUI mode, okay, in the command line itself, you can run the ls command. Okay, so now let's move ahead and let's try to delete the bucket. Okay, so the command is very simple, rb, okay, to remove bucket. Okay, so you can see, guys, we already have some stuffs in our bucket. Okay, some files and folders, so it will not get delete. Okay, so let's try. It's supposed to give error. Okay, so this is our command for remove bucket and the bucket name, and if we hit enter, then it's supposed to give error. Okay, and it will ask us to delete the objects. Okay, so in some cases the bucket will not get delete, so we can use the force command. Okay, so let's see, if this not easily get delete, then we'll forcefully delete the bucket. So you can see here it's given the error that bucket is not empty. Okay, so what we need to do now, we need to remove the objects whichever in the buckets. Okay, so I have only one file, agreement.tif. Okay, so I'm going to delete that. Okay, so the command is rm command. Okay, so, and I'm giving the file name as I know this. Okay, if you don't know, just simply give the forward slash and just hit enter. So whatever items on your bucket, it will get delete. Okay, so once the everything get delete, then only you will get options to remove your bucket, to delete your bucket. Okay, so now you can see it is get deleted. Let me try again to run the remove bucket. Okay, it's still not sync up. Let's give few more seconds. Okay, so let me wait here some more time and run the command again. Let me try now. Okay, so this time you can see the bucket is deleted. Okay, so you can see here the bucket is deleted. For S3 in command line utility, basically the command which we are using is a cp copy command, mb for create a bucket, mv for move object, ls for list the objects or list the buckets, rb for remove the bucket, rm for remove the object, and the sync command. So this basically these few commands are getting utilized in day-to-day operations, the daily operations. Okay, so I will suggest please go ahead and try these commands. Okay, and let me know how it is working at your end. If you have any query, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you all of you guys. Okay, so stay tuned on this channel and we'll see you on next week. That's it for today.